Hello, I am Gianfranco Monzini and I lead Schneider Electric Process Electrification Consulting Practice. Our team of consultants and domain experts work closely with our clients to provide an holistic approach starting from their needs and objective. We develop electrification roadmaps correlated to key outcomes such as timeline, CO2 savings, and investment cost estimation. We then assess the impact of electrification on processes, electrical infrastructure, and digital architecture, confirming the integrity and operability of the new modeled power system design. We have over 150 years of experience in energy management, combined with our unique software portfolio, such as Aviva, ETAP, and Pi. All of these powers our simulations, studies, and reports and makes our domain experts and engineering teams reliable and trusted advisors for our customers. That's why in the heavy industry sector, oil and gas, mining, mineral and metal, consumer good players select Schneider Electric as their trusted technology partner when it's time to shift to electrification. And the time is now. If you are interested in learning more about how Schneider Electric can help you transition to fully electrified processes and achieve your goals in a customer-centric way, visit our website or reach out to us directly. And connect with me on LinkedIn to learn more about what we do. Let's work together to build a better future for all.